today's video, we're going to walk you through the process of installing and connecting the TikTok Pixel to your Shopify store. So by the end of this quick tutorial, you'll not only have a working TikTok Pixel, but also a clear understanding of how it benefits your advertising strategy and tips for customizing your campaigns. So whether you're new to TikTok advertising or looking to refine your existing setup, this guide is designed to help you leverage the power of TikTok for your Shopify store. So let's go ahead and get started. First up, what is the TikTok Pixel and why do you need it? The TikTok Pixel is a small but powerful snippet of JavaScript code that tracks what users do on your website after clicking on your TikTok ad. It records events like page views, add to cart actions, and completed purchases, giving you a detailed understanding of customer behavior. Some key benefits include enhanced ad targeting. So the Pixel gathers data to help TikTok's algorithm find audiences that are more likely to convert, saving you money and improving your campaign performance. You also get detailed performance metrics, so you can see exactly how your ads influence user actions and identify which campaigns deliver the best ROI. You can also do powerful retargeting. So the Pixel allows you to retarget users who visited your store but didn't make a purchase, dramatically improving your chances of converting them to a paying customer. So think of the Pixel as the brain behind your TikTok ads. Without it, your campaigns won't be optimized for conversions and you'll miss out on valuable insights to grow your business. Prerequisites for setting up the TikTok Pixel. So before we dive into the setup process, make sure that you have these essentials ready to go and taken care of. The first thing is a TikTok business account, and this is your gateway to TikTok's advertising tools. It centralizes management of your ads, pixels, and analytics. Number two, you need a TikTok Ads Manager account. So this account lets you create and manage campaigns while giving you access to advanced features like conversion tracking. Number three, admin access to your Shopify store. So you're going to need admin privileges to install apps and make the necessary integrations. Number four, privacy policy compliance. If you're collecting advanced data, ensure that your Shopify store's privacy policy reflects this to comply with GDPR, CCPA, or other applicable laws. And number five, you need clear tracking goals. So decide what actions you want to track. For example, you might want to prioritize add to cart and purchase events to focus on sales-related metrics. Step one, install the TikTok app on Shopify. So if you don't already have a Shopify store, we'll have a link for it down in the description. When you click on that link, it's going to bring you to this page right here where you can get started with a free 3-day trial by just entering your email address. After that, you can enjoy 3 months of Shopify for just $1 per month, which is an incredible deal. So for very little money, you can get started with Shopify, get your TikTok ads up and running, and start making money before you really have to pay for the full price of Shopify. So if you want to get started with Shopify, click the link down in the description. The TikTok app for Shopify simplifies the Pixel integration, making it super beginner friendly and eliminating the need for any coding. So here are the step-by-step instructions. So if you're starting a brand new Shopify trial, go ahead, like I said, click that link in the description that we talked about and sign up for your free trial. I'm gonna go ahead and get started here with email address. I'll go ahead and type this in and click create Shopify account. So it has a setup wizard here that if this is your first time creating a Shopify store, I encourage you to go through, but for this example, we'll go ahead and just skip all that and get straight to the Shopify admin. Okay, so once logged in, go ahead and navigate to the Shopify admin panel. What you're gonna wanna do is click on apps in the left-hand menu, then click the Shopify app store, or you can just search for TikTok up in the top. So we're gonna go ahead, come up here to the top, type in TikTok, search for that. And you wanna make sure it's from the TikTok Inc. developer. That's how you know it is the official app. And we'll go ahead and click install. It says that the app needs to access your personal data and it's gonna view and edit stored data. So go ahead, click install to install the TikTok app. So one tip is you're gonna wanna avoid those third-party apps that might charge additional fees or just complicate the process. Once you go ahead, click add app, then just follow the prompts to install the app. You'll need to grant permissions for it to integrate with your Shopify store. And once installed, the the TikTok app will appear under the sales channel section in your Shopify dashboard. Step 2, set up your TikTok business account. So if you haven't already, create a TikTok business account. And here's how. Just go to TikTok for Business or click the link in the description to sign up. Fill in the required details, including your business name, an email, and a password. Then you're gonna need to verify your account through email or SMS. Now, once your account is created, go ahead and switch to the Business Center tab. This is where you'll manage assets like the Pixel, ad accounts, and other payment methods. Step 3, connect TikTok Ads Manager to Shopify. So in the TikTok app within Shopify, we're gonna go ahead and click Connect to TikTok Ads Manager. So log in to your TikTok Ads Manager account. And if you manage multiple ad accounts, make sure that you select the one that you'll use for your Shopify store and confirm the connection. Once linked, Shopify will sync your store's data with the TikTok Ads Manager. This connection ensures that TikTok can use your Shopify data to optimize ad campaigns and track performance metrics. Step 4, create and set up your TikTok pixel. Now here's where the magic happens. The TikTok pixel will track customer actions and send data back to TikTok for ad optimization. Creating a pixel. In the TikTok app, you can go to the data sharing and click create pixel. Name your pixel something memorable, maybe like my Shopify pixel. Choose the tracking method. Standard is a basic events like page views and purchases. Enhanced adds more user tracking like time spent on the page. And maximum is the most comprehensive option using APIs for deeper insights. So let's go ahead and set this up. Here inside the Shopify admin panel in the TikTok settings, we're gonna go click on Setup Now under the TikTok ads. It's gonna ask us to connect the TikTok for Business, so we'll go ahead and click Connect, and it's gonna ask us to sign into TikTok for Business. Since I have it already open in my browser, it went ahead and did those first 2 steps automatically. Next, this is where we connect the TikTok Ads Manager, so we'll go ahead and just click Connect. And here in the data sharing section, this is where we have those different levels of data sharing, the standard, the enhanced, and the maximum. Maximum is what you want to keep it on so that the pixel is the most effective pixel that it can be. And we'll go ahead and click confirm. Lastly, it's going to ask you to set up your company information. We'll do so just by clicking setup, and it's going to ask for some basic information here. After we fill that in, we'll go ahead and click finish setup. And just like that, the TikTok pixel is connected to your Shopify store. All right, next, you're going to want to optimize and monitor your pixel's performance. So with your pixel active, now it's time to focus on optimization. Here's how to make the most of it. Some key metrics to track include page views. So you want to understand which pages attract the most traffic on your website. Another metric to track is add to cart. And this way you can identify popular products that customers are interested in. A purchase. This measures the effectiveness of your ads in driving sales. Advanced matching. Improve tracking accuracy by using customer data like email addresses and phone numbers. Audience enrichment. Use pixel data to create custom audiences for remarketing campaigns. Regular monitoring. Check your TikTok Ads Manager dashboard frequently to analyze how your campaigns are performing. Use insights to tweak your ad targeting and budget allocation. Troubleshooting common issues. Even with a robust setup, issues can arise, and here are some common problems and solutions. Number 1 is your pixel's not tracking. So you want to ensure that the TikTok app is installed and that the pixel is connected to the correct Ads Manager account. Verify that your Shopify theme supports third-party tracking. Number 2, inaccurate data. So double check your event setup in TikTok Ads Manager to ensure the correct events are selected. Number 3, privacy policy concerns. Make sure to update your store's privacy policy to reflect data sharing practices, especially if you choose the maximum setting that we went over earlier. For persistent issues that you just can't figure out, TikTok and Shopify both offer detailed support resources. Best practices for TikTok pixel integration. Start with high value events. So you're going to want to focus on events like add to cart and purchase to track the most impactful customer actions. Leverage TikTok's creative tools. Use TikTok's Spark ads and shoppable videos to create engaging ad content that resonates with your audience. Test and optimize. Experiment with different ad formats, targeting options, and budget allocations. Use pixel data to identify what works best for your store. Uninstalling the TikTok pixel. If you ever need to remove the TikTok pixel for whatever reason, in your Shopify store, go to the TikTok app and disconnect the pixel under data sharing. Alternatively, you can remove it in the TikTok Ads Manager by deleting the pixel in the web events section. So by installing and optimizing the TikTok pixel, you're setting your Shopify store up for long-term success. The pixel Pixel provides invaluable insights into customer behavior, which enables you to run highly targeted ad campaigns that drive real results. So now that you have your TikTok Pixel installed on your Shopify store, you want to get started with some ads. And we have a special offer for you if you click the link down in the description where you can get some free ad credits. If you click the link down in the description, it's going to bring you to this page right here where if you spend $30, you can get $20. And if you spend $100, you can get $100. So you can get up to $100 in free ad credits by clicking the link down in the description. Now, if you want to get started with those free ad credits or Shopify, you'll find links for them down in the description. These are affiliate links, which means that we earn a small commission when you use them at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel by allowing us to continue creating free content just like this. So if you end up using them, we thank you so much in advance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on this channel, we make videos dedicated to helping new and existing entrepreneurs get started and succeed in business, so be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thank you for watching. We'll see you here in the next video.